Hello from the 2019 Global Legal Hackathon Finals Gala in New York City. My name is Laurence Colletti, and I'm a host for today's show. And I've got a wonderful panel of guests here. We're just getting things started over at the Gala. We're at White & Case, the law firm. And I have Team E-Barrister joining us. So what I want to do is just kind of go down the line here, starting with to my left here. If you could just introduce yourselves and say where you're from, what do you do, and we'll go from there.
Hi, I'm Himanshu. I'm from New Delhi, India. I run a user experience design agency otherwise, but here I am talking about marketing and technology on E-Barristers.
Can you define that for me? So you're saying...
UX, user experience design?
You're right.
User experience design is something that you and I have been using for quite some time on our mobile apps or web design and so on. It's basically trying to understand how a user is supposed to experience a platform or an app and when they do it. So we kind of design how they're supposed to do it. We used psychology, a lot of technology to do that. But that's essentially what we are kind of doing it before it actually happens.
Sounds like that would come in handy for the project you guys have been working on.
I hope so.
All right, and Luv.
Hi, I'm Luv Gupta from Delhi, India. New Delhi, India. So I'm actually a stockbroker and I'm running other verticals of financial services. But here with E-Barrister, I'm handling the entire financial modeling and how we're going to go further with expansion of business and stuff and helping our actually main partner, Anjun, on that.
All right, and Anjun.
My name is Anjun. I'm from New Delhi, India, and I am the main co-founder of E-Barristers. Apart from that, I have already 3 firms running, Six Spots International Shoes and Sports, and Citizen Fitness. This is my 4th firm. And E-Barristers is like insurance grievances redressal portal. It's all about money disputes. We're solving this problem on a very large scale. First India, then abroad. This is what we're thinking of doing it.
Well, it sounds like everyone at this table is very busy. Is that right?
Yeah, we like to call ourselves busy, but what we're essentially trying to do is make some money.
Okay, well, I like that. Mm-hmm. So, well, tell me a little bit about E-Barrister. So the platform that you guys are putting together, what does it do?
It's going to solve consumer grievances, monetary grievances, insurance grievances.
Okay, and how does it work?
It is just like you come to our portal, fill up a form, name, address, your grievances, just pay the money, a very small amount, and we'll be happy to help you out with the same.
Gotcha. So who participates in it? Is it do you have attorneys on the other end, or how does it work? So let's say I've got a problem and I find you guys online and I type the problem in. How does it work from there?
So, for example, like let's say you have some insurance claim that was not dispersed by your insurance company, right? And that is the first point by which you are going to seek out to E-Barristers for a solution, right? So as you plug in, you have a chatbot sitting on the other side of the table, and how it works, the technology.
Sure. So it's pretty simple. I mean, India is a land of multiple languages, right? And most of them are not English. So what we have built is a vernacular chatbot, which can actually take the whole download from the person sitting on the other side, the guy with the problem, in their own native language. And once they kind of take this download, they're able to process it through machine learning and AI and take it forward in terms of figuring out what is the first notice going to be. Once the notice is being kind of, drafted, it is reviewed by an actual lawyer before it's sent out in a legal format.
So in addition to being more efficient, is it less expensive to interact with your platform?
Yes, it's very less expensive as compared to the other attorneys.
Excellent. So when are you guys going to present? When's your final pitch coming up? We
are the 3rd on the slot today. So we should be presenting, I think, in another 15, 20 minutes.
Okay, so we got to get you guys out of here. But before we do that, why don't we leave a little contact information with our listeners? They want to follow up, learn a little bit more about your platform, the software or service that you've provided. How can they find you?
You can find us on the website ebarristers.com.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for joining us here. I really appreciate it. I know you guys are very busy and wish you the best of luck.
Thank you so much.
Well, we've reached the end of the road for today's episode. I want to thank our guests for joining us today and also our listeners for tuning in. If you like what you heard, please subscribe, rate, and review us in Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, or better yet, your favorite podcasting app. I'm Laurence Colletti, signing off from the 2019 Global Legal Hackathon Finals Gala. Until next time, thank you for listening.
If you'd like more information about what you heard today, please visit LegalTalkNetwork.com. Subscribe via iTunes and RSS. Find us on Twitter and Facebook, or download our free Legal Talk Network app in Google Play and iTunes. The views expressed by the participants of this program are their own and do not represent the views of, nor are they endorsed by, Legal Talk Network, its officers, directors, employees, agents, representatives, shareholders, and subsidiaries. None of the content should be considered legal advice. As always, consult a lawyer.